Why would you shoot yourself? When you have the talent of Jean working with you, it's a no-brainer. Feedback she gives you while you're doing your auditions are crucial in obtaining that audition.
When you walk into that room, you really feel like she has your back. Standing behind a camera, she really is engaged in the process with you.
What's up? I'm Raheem. This is actually my second time now here with Don't Shoot Yourself Productions with Jean. She is an acting coach, a technician, and an overall great person. I have a great experience coming here and I get excited every time. And all my takes are great.
I love coming to DSY. One of the best treasures in Los Angeles. I know that I'm always going to get a great tape.
I really trust Jean's opinion. I so appreciate her as a reader, and we just collaborate really well together, and I just feels like home, and I'm so grateful.
She just wants you to do your best. She just really cares, and having somebody in your corner like that throughout this process makes it so much easier.
Don't shoot yourself, but why go through the hassle, particularly as guest star in series reg? Go to Jean St. James and Don't Shoot Yourself. DSY Productions.